back to my channel. So today we are going to do value education of class 6 chapter 1 goal setting. So let's start. Things. First we are going to read think. Think. It is the first time but someone has talked to you about goals. This is certainly not going to be the last. Not having a goal is like running all your life on the cricket field without scoring a single run. Now let's see what goals and goal settings are. So friends, now let's start with what are goal settings. It's very important. So if you don't have the books, you can go to the description box. I will be putting this PDF. So what are goal settings? Goals are promises. What are goals? Goals are promises that we make to ourselves for the future. So like we make promises to someone that we will do. So goals are promises which we make to ourselves for the future. A goal is what you want to achieve. What is a goal? A goal is what you want to achieve. Goal settings thus can be simply explained as plotting the map for success. Here is a flow chart that will explain the process of goal settings. It is very important. I will write and take it as very important. So first step we are going to read. What do you want? So in the goal settings, first is what do we want? Second is found out you need to do achieve what you want. So second step we have to find out what we need to do to achieve what we want. Now working towards reaching what you want. Now after that we have to work towards that what we want, and after that we achieve what we want. Now the pro of goal setting. Now let us read the pro of goal setting. Pro of goal setting. There are 3 keywords to keep in mind when we set a goal. So when we set a goal, we have to keep 3 keywords, means 3 words in our mind. First is P, second is R, and third is O, means pro. Positive, realistic, and objective. Now first we will read be positive. Positive thoughts keep you on track and prevent you from holding yourself back. In this positive thoughts, if we have positive thoughts, so we can prevent from holding ourselves back. When you set goals, concentrate on positive thoughts. When we set goals, we should concentrate on positive thoughts. So we have to concentrate on the positive thoughts. Don't use words like I won't fail maths. That will only keep the idea of failure in your thoughts. Instead, you use positive languages saying I will pass math with good marks. I will improve my communication skills. So when we are writing our goals, we should not write words like I won't fail maths. So if we write this in our mind, the fail word will go in our thoughts, but instead of using the word failure, we should use positive languages like we will pass in maths with good marks and I will improve my communication skills. Now let's go to next page. The best example I have for positive thinking is one of the best batsmen in the world, A.B.D. Villiers. So in this we are going to see the example. In this we are going to see the example in this yellow box. So let's read the example. So the best example of positive thinking is the world's best batsman in the world, that is A.B. de Villiers. So you all can search about A.B. de Villiers after watching my video. A.B. showed his grit in the test arena and was the number one batsman in ODIs as well as in tests. So in short we tell AB. AB showed his grit in the tests and he showed best in his tests and he was number one batsman in ODIs as well as in tests. His ability to bat well, thinking innovatively and bat instinctively. So his ability was to bat well and he thinks very nice. He thinks very positive thinking. Turned by de Villiers to one of the most dangerous yet sports cricketers the game has ever showed. So the de Villiers was into the most danger and yet sporting cricketers the game ever lost. He is one of the best modern days of the game. A.B. de Villiers continues the strict fear into the heart of the world's bowlers. So he was continuing his strict weeds into the hearts of the world's bowlers. He was on top of the ICC One Day International Batting Ranking through 2014. So through 2014, he was on the top of the ICC of the International Batting Rankings. Now let's see about A.B. de Villiers. This is a photo of A.B. de Villiers. Now let us read about him. Abraham Benjamin de Villiers was born in 17th February 1984. Is a former South African professional cricketer, one of the most loved foreigner players in India. He holds the record for fastest 50,000 and 100 and 150 in ODI cricket, and he is only batsman ever to average above 50 with a strike rate of above 100 batsmen with maximum 5,000 runs. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen of all time. De Villiers was named as the ICC ODI Player of the Year 3 times during his 15-year international career and was one of the 5 Wisden cricketers of the decade at the end of 2019. Now friends, let us read Be Realistic. Don't set yourself up for disappointment by setting goals that you can't realistically achieve. So when we are writing goals, so we should not set that goals that we can't do in realistic, means in real life. Failure can have a snowball effect. So if we have been a failure, it will be like a snowball effect. If you set a goal that's not attainable and you miss the mark. So if we set a goal that we can't do, so we will miss that mark. You are likely to use confidence in other areas. This is not good for you. So if we write goals that we cannot do, so we'll miss the mark and we'll likely to lose our confidence. So that is not good for us. For instance, if you are running for the first time, attempt short distances rather than marathon. So if we are starting it for the first time, so we should only attempt short distances, not rather run like a marathon. Now, how to set objectives? First we did be positive, then will it be realistic? Now we are going to do set objectives. Objective are tools you use to reach your goals. So objective are that tools that by which we can reach our goals. They are like little siblings of your goals. So objectives are like little siblings of their goals. Objectives are keeps that you take to ensure that you stay on track. So objectives are that ensure that you stay in the track of the goal. If we take the same running example, so now we are going to take the example. We are going to take the example. So first is goal. I will run a race and win it. So how we put a goal? We put a goal that we'll run the race and we'll win it. Objective 1, we will practice running every day. So we will practice running, that then only we can win. And objective 2, what is objective 2? I will increase my stamina and fitness. So if we do these two objectives, we can finish our goal. Now let's read this one. Goals are what you want to achieve and objectives are how you will achieve that what. So goals, it is very important, very very important. It is a very nice quote also. That is, goals are what you want. So goals that are things that we want, and objective are that things that we want to achieve from that. So friends, we'll read till here. In my next video, we'll go to third page. I hope you liked our video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.